Which animal should go extinct? It's a breed so IDK if it counts, but bulldogs. They have a multitude of breathing issues for one. For two, bulldogs can't even give birth on their own. They need sections. They are so high price BC, it's a high price to take care of one. Aka all the inevitable doctor's visits. They are just constantly having a hard time breathing. It's not a good life at all. Their entire existence is practically animal abuse. If you want more elaborating explanation, watch this https. Yahoo. Be a CV10WVGXO. Even if it's more focused on purebreds in general, it mentions them and it's a generally informative video.